Dream of waking up with perfect hair? Discover the ultimate wash and wear shags that turn messy into a masterpiece. Your low-effort glow-up starts now. 1. Voluminous Wolf Cut. This hybrid of a shag and a mullet removes bulk from thick hair while keeping length. It frames round faces perfectly and looks best when air-dried for natural texture. The disconnected layers create effortless movement, making this the ultimate choice for those growing out bangs. It requires zero heat tools to look edgy and styled. 2. 70s Stevie Shag. Channel retro energy with a heavy face-framing fringe that highlights the cheekbones. This style adds instant body to fine, limp hair without needing a blow dryer. This live-in look thrives on salt spray alone. It offers a rebellious, rock and roll edge that suits oval and heart-shaped faces by softening the forehead area. 3. Curly French Shag. Embrace natural curls with short crown layers that prevent the dreaded triangle shape. It is the epitome of Parisian chic and requires only a leave-in conditioner. A wash-and-go dream that utilizes natural volume to create a halo effect. The curly fringe draws attention to the eyes while softening angular jawlines effortlessly. 4. Razor Cut Pixie Shag. Perfect for the bold, lazy girl. This cut dries in minutes. The Pixie texture gives a modern, punk vibe that highlights the neck and jawline beautifully. This style minimizes styling time to almost zero. It works exceptionally well for straight hair types that struggle to hold a curl, offering permanent built-in texture. 5. Long Layered Butterfly Shag. This style keeps the length, but adds dramatic face-framing layers. It mimics a blowout look even when air-dried, making it perfect for those who want glamour with zero effort. The feathered ends create a soft, romantic silhouette that is highly versatile. It reduces hair weight, allowing for natural waves to spring up without heavy styling products. 6. Choppy Bob Shag. The Shob. A low-maintenance alternative to the classic bob, the choppy ends provide a gritty, modern texture that looks better the messier it gets, ideal for busy lifestyles. This cut lifts the face and adds youthfulness. It is particularly effective for thin hair, as the blunt, jagged edges create an illusion of thickness and density. 7. Wispy Bang Medium Shag. Soft and approachable, this mid-length cut bridges the gap between long and short. The wispy bangs conceal forehead lines while the layers add bounce to straight hair. This transition-friendly cut is perfect for growing out shorter styles. The strategic layering hides split ends, allowing you to go longer between salon visits. 8. Grunge Wet Look Shag. Ideal for thick, unruly hair, this style leans into the messy on-purpose aesthetic. It pairs perfectly with gels or oils, turning greasy hair days into a fashion statement. This edgy style requires no volume. It embraces flatness and texture. It is a fantastic option for those with straight, heavy hair who want a distinctive, modern silhouette. 9. Soft Mullet Shag. Less aggressive than a traditional mullet, this soft variation offers a cool girl vibe. It keeps the neck cool in summer and requires only a quick ruffle with fingers to style. This cut elongates the neck and balances wide cheekbones. It is a confident style that works with natural hair texture, eliminating the need for brushes or combs. 10. Undercut Shag. The ultimate heat beater. This style hides a shaved section beneath shaggy layers. It drastically reduces drying time and weight, making it perfect for incredibly thick hair. When tied up, it reveals an edgy design. When down, it looks like a classic shag. It offers versatility and comfort for those who want a secret, rebellious detail.